Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am super excited to share with you guys the prizes for my 400,000 subscriber giveaway live stream. We did it, or we are almost there, but basically I'm doing this slightly early so that by the time the channel passes that 400,000 subscriber mark, we'll be ready to go and I can do the live celebration. So I have 10 knives here that I'm going to be giving away, and I think you guys are going to be super excited. There's some absolutely crazy stuff, especially towards the end here. So stick around and find out. So when is this event going to take place? How do I enter? Don't worry, you don't have to enter yet. I'm aiming for January 5th, which is a Friday. We're going to start at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, and we're going to go for 2 hours. Takes a while to give away a lot of stuff. All the way to 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. So this is when we're going to do it. I realize not everybody can make it. It doesn't really matter when I do a live stream. There's always going to be somebody that can't make it. But I do lots of live streams. So if not this one, don't worry. Maybe another time. But this is when we're going to do it. You'll be able to enter during this live stream. I'll actually provide the instructions right there during the live event, so you don't need to do anything now. This is not exclusive to patrons. It's not exclusive to channel members. It's literally anybody who's watching, whether you're subscribed, not subscribed, you just found my channel, you've been here for 5 years. If you're there, you can enter, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you sincerely to everybody who has helped me reach this absolutely insane milestone, 400,000. I mean, I feel like we were just celebrating 100 or 200,000 subscribers. I don't know where the time went. I will let you guys know that the channel gained 200,000 subscribers this year alone. I've been on YouTube for, going on 6 years now. The channel doubled in size last year. I looked at my specs. It was literally 206,000 subscribers in the last 365 days. So sincerely, thank you to everyone. Thank you to everybody who watches, communicates, participates in the channel in any way. Thank you to the people who come and hang out at the live streams. Thank you to my patrons, everybody. Thank you to the retailers who have worked with me, the people who have sent me stuff for review, just all the incredible people in the community, all the other amazing channels out there who have, like jumped on with me and done sort of podcast episodes or just hung out and been cool. Everybody's just been so amazing. This is an absolute dream come true. And I legitimately could not ask for more, for a job. This is what I do full time. So I am very happy. Thank you so much for allowing me to do this for a living. I want to give back to you guys. You guys know that I give stuff away. I try to give stuff away every weekend on this channel. But I've saved a bunch of really fun, wild, and crazy stuff for this 400K celebration. So let's go ahead and start getting these knives out. There's something here for everyone. I made sure and made this as diverse as possible, but everything here is very premium. So we're going to start off here with a weird one. Definitely. This is going to be one much more on the weirder side, but definitely still a very premium knife. What we have here is the Maxace Raptor. So this is an absolutely wild karambit style knife with Timascus inlays, actually titanium frame. We have a two-tone MagnaCut, I thought it was M390, MagnaCut Hawkbill blade. So absolutely insane. Not everybody's into karambits, but some people are. And I figured, hey, it would be fun. No matter what type of person you are, it would definitely be fun. Next up, we have a WE knife that I've been hanging on to for a long time. I actually wasn't 100% sure if I wanted to keep this, and truthfully, I do still want to keep it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and give it away, and this is my WE Knives Diatomic. These were not cheap. I'm not going to say that I totally agree with the end price tag on these, but this is definitely one of the most interesting knives that WE has ever come out with. We have the infamous double pocket clip situation. Such a bizarre knife, really cool aesthetic, but I thought, you know what? I think somebody would really enjoy having that. And they're expensive, right? I mean, that's the thing. Some of this stuff is just clearly kind of overpriced. And so I figure why not give it away and let somebody have it for free? This one, really interesting. These guys came out of nowhere. This is the Pyrotech Kraken and S90V, and they actually provide the exact Rockwell hardness on the card. So this is number, it said 196, October of 2023. You'll get all of this. Obviously, everything comes with the box. You get extra Omega Springs, right? But what we have here is the pouch and then the actual knife itself, which is really cool. Kind of a Sebenza meets Benchmade 940 situation, but of course, beautiful titanium scales, S90V. Just a really excellent all-around user. And again, not an inexpensive knife. So something that, somebody will be able to pick up for free. Next up, let's check out the Kunwu. I think you guys probably know what this is going to be. I had to save this for you guys, and I definitely did want to keep this one. But this is the DLC, the LMAX Shiny DLC Django in the diamond textured titanium. If you guys have not seen the video and by the way, it'll come with extra Omega Springs and a pocket clip. If you've not seen the video where Sergio takes a steel bit, and actually scratches it into the blade, and then just takes a cloth and wipes it off. This is not a joke. This is real hardcore DLC. They are not screwing around at Kunwu. They are making some absolutely serious stuff. So this sort of tuxedo Django, I thought was incredibly cool looking, and somebody might really enjoy having that. So I wanted to save it, of course, for the giveaway. That's one of the more useful, more practical options there. Next up, let's shift gears and get something out that's not practical at all, but absolutely ridiculous and hilarious. This is really hard for me to part with because I love crazy overbuilt knives. This is the Midgard's Messer Jotun or Jotun. It's just a series of rectangles and triangles, but man, what an absolutely wild knife. The reason I'm including this one is because I feel like over the last year, I've shown so many absurd overbuilt knives that my channel's kind of becoming known for this type of thing. So it would really be a shame for me to not give away something like this. So this is CPM D2. We have a combination of G10 and aluminum and a big, stainless steel liner and a titanium pocket clip. And wow, the price on this knife is absolutely insane. So again, I thought, hey, if some people who look at this and think, wow, this looks really awesome, I'd love to own that, but the price tag is absolutely absurd. Yeah, maybe you can win it for free right here on my final live stream, right? This next one is also an overbuilt knife, but I thought this was really cool. This is actually the prototype PMP Titano. This is the original one that I received. So there are lots of PMP Titanos now that have dropped, the production ones, but this is the prototype. So I thought that somebody might really enjoy having this thing. I have one. I have the black one that was sent to me also by PMP. So I'm more than happy to give this one away, and I think you guys might enjoy it. It functions exactly the same. It's just it was the prototype. So yeah, we're gonna fold that one up too. Now moving on to the Spydercos, and I bet you guys can probably guess what these are. So these are the GP Knives exclusives in white, and in this case we have the coated Rex 45 blade, which is insane. If you're not familiar with Rex 45, this is some insane stuff. This is like an ultimate user, like the lightweight, compact ratio to like usability of the blade is off the charts. So this will be the coated one, and then of course we also have, I'm gonna leave that right there so don't forget about it. We also have another one in the satin finish, right? Now, Rex 45 is, I'll leave the packs and the salt packs. Rex 45 is not a stainless steel, but as long as you regularly oil the blade, you should be okay. And some people are just, going to be okay with a patina forming on their knife, right? My Maximate Para 3, here's an example of kind of what that looks like after a long time. So some people might want to do that. Or maybe, if you win this, you might not want to use it at all. It's really entirely up to you. But yeah, we'll have one of each. Thank you to GP Knives for providing those. You can pick those up at GP Knives if you want. And now we're going to move on to, there's a lot of really nice stuff out here. This is obviously nothing out here is inexpensive. It's all very expensive. But we're going to move on to the super premium end of this, the grand prizes, so to speak. So the last two, we'll start off with this one here, and this is a Herman. This is the bronze Vespertilio with the beautiful polished tumbled finish and Magna Cut for the steel. So I really wanted to hang on to this one for myself. I'm a huge fan of Herman knives. I think that this might be one of the best EDC profiles that Herman has ever released. And by the way, the detent on this, everything, the flipping action is so perfect. And you will get the certificate of authenticity, right? You'll get all the stuff that it came with. I still have that. Yeah, if you've always thought, owning a Herman would be really cool, you just don't want to pay the, $700, $800, $900 price tag that comes with it, then you'll have an opportunity here. And one in Magna Cut. So this is definitely one I'm excited to give away. Sad to see it go, but I know that this one will make somebody very happy. And then definitely, I think the grand prize, this is definitely the most expensive knife on the table. And this one also was donated to me for this one, I want to say thank you to Polish Custom Knives for sending that one. That was really cool. This one we have, let me show you his card here. Because I always get his name wrong. Anton Vander Wasugian. I know I mispronounced that. But what we have is the, we have another Boudica Angel's Finger. I'm sure you guys will recognize. I'm going to try and keep this clean. This is a custom knife. This is a South African custom knife. So what we officially have here is the Boudica 7.5. This is the total length Angel's Finger. We have an RWL 34 blade. I want to show off the action here because the action is absolutely spectacular. We have a beautiful, absolutely beautiful blade. Zircotai inlays, Zircotai pocket clip, Zircotai pivot collar. And let me just demo that action for you guys here real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So this is about as custom-y as you could want with a super cool all black and Zircotai inlay profile here. Really cool. If you decide you want to use this, then, fantastic. It is a hyper expensive knife. I'll let you guys look up the pricing that if you want to. It's up to the person who wins it. So this will absolutely be up for grabs alongside everything else. So I hope you guys are happy and excited about the potential to win this stuff. Like I said, the giveaway will take place in a live event. Instructions will be part of that live event. All you have to do is show up. It's a good time. If you've never hung out in one of my live streams, it's always a good time. The population usually gets well over 1,000 for regular live streams. So usually when I do a big event like this, the population is even crazier. So it's just absolute chaos. And I'll try and make it as fun as possible for you guys. I hope you guys are excited. I can't wait to give this stuff away. This has been an awesome year, and I'm looking forward to 2024, hopefully being the same, hopefully being, just as good. But I'm just feeling extremely thankful and just completely overjoyed. Thank you again for being a part of this, this weird YouTube journey with me. This is really just, this has just been a hell of a ride for me, man. Anyways, hope to see you guys there. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have an excellent rest of your afternoon and an excellent rest of your evening. Bye.